Hello. I look kind of like caca right now, but I wanted to show you what just got delivered. I love this. Love it, love it. Okay, so in here, I went ahead and got out like some of the paper so it wasn't so like noisy on this video. But so Miss Kaylee got some scent circles. I'm gonna put both of these in these like little decorated cellophane bags. But she went with watermelon tangerine and then Mystery Man. Both are really good. We have watermelon tangerine and hand soap right now in the bathroom. Super good. So I'm gonna put those in there, and then let's go find the 2 bars she got. Let's see. Where is it? Okay. I found it. Okay, and then for the rest of Kaylee's order, she got Blue Grotto wax bar. I think this is a repurchase, so I'm assuming she likes it because the Blue Grotto is the best. And then strawberry lemon cake is what I picked out for her because, or she picked out and I paid for it because she participated in the little April game night. And when I did the selection of winners from people who commented at the beginning of the month, she won. So strawberry lemon cake, I think, was the March scent of the month. And it's so good. It's like light, but also springy and sweet. These are going to be really good in her apartment. So let's get these in here. Let's see. So I want to do this because I want to make sure the bars stay flat until I can deliver them. No, that ain't gonna work. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Then I think I'm gonna add some samples. Yeah, I have some ideas. I need to make new samples because I keep giving out the same ones. So that's Kaylee's order and it's ready. And then Miss Yana got the pastel bundle. So that includes Amazon Rain. And then we've got Clementine Cupcake, Mahalo Coconut, Havana Cabana, Rainbow Sherbet, which is the best, and then Coastal Sunset. So let me put it in order. Hello, I can't see who's watching, so hi. I'm just packaging up some orders that came in. I wanted to show you guys what I do. Pretty simple. There we go. That pretty pastel bundle, 6 bars for $30. This is not like a limited time only. It's just I picked out wax that had pastel colors, and I was like, "That's pretty. Let's do it." So that's what she chose to try. I think all of these scents are new for Miss Yana. Hello, Allie. I'm just packaging up orders. Let's see. Yep. It doesn't help if I drop it. Okay. Look how pretty that is. Love it. I don't have my ring light on. Sorry about that. But yeah. So then I'm going to fill it up with some samples. And that's good to go. Those are the 2 orders I had from other people. And then Mom and I decided we needed some stuff for the house. Let's see. So me and Garrett have air purifiers, and we've been out of the replacement filter. So we got 2 of those. 2. So, yeah, we needed these. Let me see if I can show you. How do I turn this thing around? There we go. So, yeah, I've been needing to change this. So, I will do that later today. Okay, and then last 4 things. I knew this was going to be short. Okay, so then we got a coastal sunset for the house. Scentspirations mango shortcake, because I haven't stopped thinking about it since I saw it. Hey Kaylee, I just got your order ready. And then Amazon Rain. I've never had this in a wax bar. So, and I love the laundry, so I was like, I should warm it. And that's why I got it. And then I got Woodland Meadow, because Mom was watching some like movie on Amazon, no, not Amazon, on Netflix. And it was like this scene of trees and snow and like Viking stuff, that kind of vibe. And I was like, it'd be so good to have like a woodsy, mossy smell while watching something like that. So I'm experimenting. I think this one's gonna be one of my new faves. But yeah, so that's it. I've got everything ready, and I will send this on its way with my dad for Miss Yana at work, and then I'll come drop this off at your house, Kaylee, later. Probably Saturday, if that's okay. I'll text you. Okay. Bye, guys.